Hayi, mina uVuyokazi bengimthanda ngoba besisidudla. Hayi, mina lo Vuyokazi lo angisamfuni. Yo, sana uyaphela. Yo, khani ziphathe kahle mani, intweni enizithetha kwi-comments. And futhi anenzeni anenzela mna.
Hi, YouTube family. Welcome to All Trending Zanzi. But this is indeed beautiful to see. We all know that Vuyokazi was in a ritualistic mjolo sitembo relationship with Mpumelelo Mselegu, and after she left that relationship, we thought Bandla Unkosiami she found new love. Kanti why posela kwelinye nje iwa liga Chef Xolani, but again she overcome that embarrassment of a man. And then, it looks like she found love and happiness within herself. I hope nigizwe kahle. She found love and happiness within herself. And then she decided to say, I have money, so why not buy myself the tea body that I want? I mean, I already gave birth to 2 kids, so why not reward myself with something nice and precious? And the reason why I say this, is because in most of her captions, she keeps on saying mommy body recovery. So it looks like she's trying to recover her body, and of course she looks beautiful. But it is indeed beautiful and nice to see. Hi bandla, from how she looked before and how she is looking now, there is a huge difference. And yes, the people are always talking about she is overdoing it, and they liked the Vuyokazi that was a bit chubby, but others, they are loving this new Vuyokazi. Let's just learn to accept people the way they are. If someone decides to undergo a weight loss journey, it is between the person and herself or himself. Tina siyini kodwa soloko business comment kaningi. This is indeed a beautiful, but please do leave your comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Catch you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Ebathandi bomkosi, before ngivala, abanye sebathi uVuyokazi akasesiyona itype yakabhutiza. I have a name, Nina. That's it for today. Catch you on my next one. Bye.